Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 82 new COVID 19 cases reported in New Hampshire, though positivity rate remains low. There have been 9,994 known coronavirus cases in New Hampshire, officials say. New Hampshire health officials announced 82 new cases of COVID 19 in the state Thursday, along with one more death and two new hospitalizations. While the number of new cases announced daily has remained high in the past few weeks, state epidemiologist Dr. Benjamin Chan said the state's positivity rate has remained low, around 1%. Chan said the state is testing at a much higher level than before and capturing more infections. He said there are 832 current cases of COVID 19 in New Hampshire, and there have been 9,994 over the course of the pandemic. The state is now doing about 25,000 rapid tests each week for people who are symptomatic at 12 sites and National Guard locations in Concord and Londonderry, with more to follow next week. The state's two largest cities continue to have substantial community transmission of COVID 19, and a county may soon follow. Hillsborough County as a whole, minus the cities of Manchester and Nashua, is right on the cusp of going from moderate to substantial, Chan said. The most recent death was a person associated with a long-term care facility, Chan said. There have been 470 deaths associated with COVID 19 over the course of the pandemic. 18 people are currently hospitalized in the state for COVID 19. Chan said that number has been relevantly stable over the past few weeks. Chan urged Granite Staters to continue taking precautions such as wearing masks and maintaining distance to help slow the spread of COVID 19. He also said people should get vaccinated for the flu because lower rates of flu transmission will help reduce stress on the testing and hospital systems over the coming season. Governor Chris Sununu pointed out that the state is in the middle of a 2-week moratorium on hockey and activity in ice rinks. He said it will be important for players, coaches, and parents to get tested because of the inordinate amount of community spread that appears to be connected to the sport. Contact tracing has identified it being passed both in some of the social gatherings happening before, during, and after games with parents, players to player. And it is having a domino effect in our schools, he said. The governor said he has a message for Granite Staters who might not be taking COVID 19 seriously. And here's Governor Chris Sununu's message. My message to those individuals, first and foremost, is they're wrong, Sununu said. COVID is very real. If you're not worried about it for yourself, I suppose that is your right to do so. But be worried about it if for those that you may transmit it to loved ones, the elderly, whatever, but others. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.